This is cool. So we've had rallies at the Texan RV Park, and it's really cool seeing a bunch of these lined up in a row, different variations. Hey, it's Tony and Garrett with the National RV Training Academy, and today we're going to go through and check out a bunch of old RVs at the RV Hall of Fame in Elkhart, Indiana. If you ever thought about coming to this place and wonder if it's worth the investment of $15, it totally is. I mean, it's really neat to see the history of where RVs came from, and they also have some of the newest ones here too, so let's go check it out. Look at that. They were much smaller back then. Alright, we'll follow the road, see where it takes us. This is cool. So we've had rallies at the Texan RV Park, home of the National RV Training Academy, with this exact model, the GMC motorhome. This is really cool because they have the tandem axle. It's really cool seeing a bunch of these lined up in a row with different variations. This is an example of the very advanced motorhomes produced from 1973 to 1978 by General Motors Corporation. What's your favorite RV here? This is the oldest travel trailer in the world, custom made for Caltech professor by a Los Angeles carriage maker. So it was restored in 1980. We've got the travel trailer for the Model T. The trailer has a dining table that seats four and then converts into a double bed. Khaki color upholstery is in the original style. Storage is provided under both benches and two cabinets on either side of the rear doors. 1931 Model AA Ford house car. This house car is believed to have been built by an unknown custom carriage maker and woodworking artist. The floors are yellow pine and the cabinetry and interior is oak and yellow poplar. The seats for the driver and passenger were added by the resorters. It originally had flat benches without backs to sit on. The donor discovered this in a barn in Athens, Alabama in 1999 and was able to acquire it. The engine ran fine the day it was purchased, even after it had been sitting stored for 40 years. So this is an iconic look here. The 1967 Winnebago motorhome. I mean, look, it's got the overhead bunk. This 19-foot motorhome, built on a 6-cylinder Ford chassis, is an example of the first motorized RVs built by the Forest City, Iowa company that had for nearly 10 years been a travel trailer manufacturer. Designed to sleep up to 6 on 3 double beds, this model was the first popular assembly line built motorhome and priced around $5,000. Started the rush to affordable motorhome production. $5,000, Garrett. $5,000. So I guess the big question is, is it worth coming? If you're really into RVs and you know, you want to see where they came from, and you know, you're all about the lifestyle, then sure, absolutely. For 15 bucks, heck, that was really interesting. You got to see a lot of older innovations, and you know, even today, over the past like 10 years, you can see innovation stacking upon innovation, and you know, in there you can see, you know, there's the original torsion axle and different appliances being used, and then bunkhouses coming into light. So it's kind of neat.